If you're Japanese, you probably have these in your house somewhere. Being a first-generation Japanese American, my mom has taught me many life hacks like using a furoshiki. So I thought I would share some with you guys. There's so many ways to use a furoshiki, but I still use this when I'm packing for a trip. Unlike pre-made bags, a furoshiki will work for anything depending on the size of the fabric. A furoshiki ranges anywhere from 18 to 90 inches and can be made out of cotton, rayon, or silk. People have been using a furoshiki to wrap things for centuries. Furoshiki literally means bath spread. And that's because, story time, back in the day in public bathhouses, people would undress while standing on a furoshiki wrapping their clothes so they won't get mixed up with others. It's become more popular in the US in the recent years since we've become more eco-friendly, so hooray! Now, you're probably saying, that's not the name of the wrapping technique. And you're right, but this is what my mom calls it, so that's how I call it. Not only are these great for gift wrapping, but they come in handy when you have to get nifty. So I guess my niftiness comes from my mama, and she is all about sharing and caring, so hope this helps.